Introduction to Collaborative Documents in Notion.
Notion is a powerful platform for creating and managing documents as a team. Collaborative documents allow multiple people to edit, comment, and keep everyone on the same page. Building documents that encourage teamwork and transparency starts with understanding Notion's shared spaces and collaboration tools. Let's explore the best practices for making the most out of collaborative documents in Notion.
Setting up shared workspaces.
Begin by creating a shared workspace in Notion where your team can access and edit documents. Add the appropriate members and assign permissions based on roles. Use shared folders and organize pages logically to make navigation easy. Clear structure at the start ensures everyone knows where to find information and where to contribute.
Designing clear and organized documents.
Structure your Notion documents using headings, tables, and bullet points for clarity. Consistent formatting makes content easy to scan and understand. Use templates for frequent use cases like meeting notes or project trackers. A well-organized document helps team members collaborate efficiently and minimizes confusion.
Using comments and mentions for communication.
Leverage comments and mentions to facilitate communication directly within the document. If feedback or a decision is needed, tag teammates using the @ symbol. Use the comment feature to discuss changes or ask questions without cluttering the main content. This keeps conversation context-specific and transparent for everyone involved.
Tracking changes and maintaining transparency.
Enable version history to track who made what changes and when. This allows teams to review edits, revert mistakes, and maintain accountability. Consider assigning document owners or editors to oversee updates. Transparent tracking fosters trust and helps everyone stay informed about the latest developments in collaborative projects.
Conclusion: enhancing teamwork with Notion.
By following these best practices, organizing your workspace, formatting documents clearly, communicating within Notion, and tracking changes, you create an environment where teams can work together smoothly. Encourage regular reviews and feedback to continuously improve your collaborative documents. Effective use of Notion boosts teamwork, transparency, and productivity.